All right, guys, just a quick video to show you how to find distance using the distance formula. So here I've got a graph with 2 points, and I want to know what is the distance between them. Pretend that's a straight line. So I first need to know what are my 2 points. So I have 2 points at -7, -4. So I need to know what my points are. So let's write those down. -7, -4. And my other point is at -3, -6. So those 2 points, I'm going to take those and put those into Desmos. So into my distance formula. And I put the distance formula right here for you to reference, but it's just the square root of my x coordinates. Now, a lot of times we get hung up on x2 and x1 and which one is which. As long as you're putting those x coordinates together in the same parentheses, you're going to be fine. So -7 minus -3 all squared plus, now my y coordinates are -4 and -6. -4 minus -6. Notice those double negatives. Yes, we have double negatives because our formula has a subtraction in it, and then our coordinates were negatives. So I see here that I get this decimal number, this irrational number, but I was supposed to get something in simplest radical form. So since we want simplest radical form, I'm going to take everything that was inside that radical, and I'm going to copy it and find out what actually was inside. Well, inside that radical was actually 20. So my distance between the two is the square root of 20. Now that's not simplest radical form, so we need to make it simplest radical form. So to make it simplest radical form, we'll look at our 20 and try to figure out what will go into that 20. Which of my perfect square numbers goes into that 20? So I know that 4 divides evenly into 20. So since 4 divides evenly into 20, I know that that's going to be my perfect square. So I'm going to come over here, and my pen is going crazy. So I'm just going to erase that little part down here that didn't do what I wanted. All right, so we're rewriting now. Square root of 4 and square root of 5. Well, the square root of 4 is a perfect square, so I know that that's just 2, and then I have a leftover 5. So the distance between these 2 points is the square root of 20, which simplifies to 2 square root of 5.